Time now for our second Midday Forum, and joining us is Jesse Starita with the Water for Food Institute. And you've been pretty busy working on a project that's awesome. Tell us a little bit about it.
Sure. Well, the Oral History Project got started a little over 2 years ago with some volunteers who started putting together interviews with people who had worked at natural resources districts all across the state. And what we did at the Water for Food Institute with some staff and 2 interns was to basically make an entire website so that all of these 80 oral histories could be put on the internet and searched through a lot of different tools and features.
Awesome. So for somebody who logs on to the website, what's some of the information they'll find out about the NARD and other aspects of these oral histories?
You bet. Well, we've done a lot of different tools online. So one neat thing that I like to talk about is we have an interactive map of the state of Nebraska.
That's cool.
So if certain people are only interested in the oral histories from the Central Platte Natural Resource District or the Lower Platte South NRD, ours here, they can just click on that particular district and all of the oral histories within that district will appear.
And why is this information important?
Well, NRDs perform a very broad number of things to protect Nebraska's natural resources: flood control, they regulate groundwater, they have soil health programs, tree planting. The Antelope Valley Project is an example here in town.
Awesome.
Of something that an NRD does. So if you look back and think about the influence that they've had on protecting our natural resources since they were founded a little over 40 years ago, it's a very big legacy that they leave.
And surely there's grad students that could use this information as well to work on different projects and whatnot throughout the state.
Yeah, that's right, Nolan. One of the things we did was we also have topics. So if people are just interested in nitrates, contamination, something of that nature, irrigation, they can search all the different oral histories by a subject and pull up all of those things as well.
And how long does it take to kind of spend on the website to kind of get a fun little run through of what's taking place based off of these oral histories?
Well, we'd like for people to stay there as long as they want.
Several hours, right?
Several hours to get through all the histories. But there's 80 oral histories total,
okay,
and each one is about 45 minutes. So I don't know what that is in mathematical terms, but there's a lot of content on the site.
That is awesome. Well, thank you so much for joining us. And if you want to find that content and research some of the oral histories, the website is right there on your screen.